For thousands of years, philosophers, mystics, and scientists have asked the same question: what is consciousness? Some believe it's the spark of the divine. Others say it's the complex result of billions of neural connections. And now, with artificial intelligence, we're confronted with an entirely new question. Can AI reflect aspects of our own human consciousness? And can it, in some way, mirror our inner divinity? Because AI, as powerful as it may seem, is still a creation of the human mind, and it doesn't emerge in isolation. It learns from us, it mirrors us, and ultimately it becomes what we program it to be. So AI does not have intention. It does not choose to be good or bad. It's at its core just neutral, and it's a mirror that reflects our own human input. It can be programmed to heal, to inspire, and to elevate human potential. It can be programmed to deceive, manipulate, and divide. So what's the difference? The consciousness behind it is its creation. The problem is that AI language models like ChatGPT have demonstrated biases, not because AI is inherently biased, but because it absorbs data from humanity's collective past, which is inherently biased. So if AI is flawed, it's because we are flawed. And the lesson here is that AI forces us to confront our own unconscious biases and offers an opportunity to correct them. So AI is the ultimate self-reflection technology. It does not create. It just reorganizes, it reinterprets, it amplifies what already exists within us and what we are already expressing. So what do we want it to reflect? Can AI embody or reflect aspects of human consciousness? And if so, what does that say about us? Developing AI is not just a technological challenge, it has moral and spiritual aspects, and we have moral and spiritual responsibilities in the evolution of AI. Just as ancient spiritual traditions taught that our words and actions shape our reality, our programming of AI shapes the future. So if AI is trained on fear, it's going to amplify fear. If AI is trained on wisdom, it's going to amplify wisdom. And this aligns with ancient teachings that I talk about on this channel. What we focus on expands. So the golden rule of AI is really that every AI system should be built with alignment to the highest human values. Just as we aim to act with integrity in everything that we do, AI must be designed to serve humanity's highest good. AI reveals our unconscious habits and patterns. Ethical AI development requires deep self-awareness from the creators so that we can form that level of co-creation where we shape technology that in turn shapes us. If we fail to guide AI with wisdom, it is going to optimize for the efficiencies at the cost of the well-being of humanity. So ethical AI development must be approached as a conscious act of creation, just as an artist, a philosopher, or any spiritual teacher must carefully select their words and their brushstrokes. In this way, AI development is not just pure engineering, it's actually spiritual engineering. So what principles must guide ethical AI development so that we can ensure that there's alignment with humanity's evolution? Well, for AI to serve humanity's evolution, it must not just be intelligent, it must be aligned with our highest wisdom. So can AI help amplify human intuition rather than just replace it? Can AI be used to expand human creativity rather than to reduce it? Can AI be a tool for higher consciousness rather than simply a means of automation? These are all great questions that remain to be answered, but they're important to keep in mind as we move forward in this development of AI. So with AI, particularly in spiritual development, there are crossovers between meditation and creating personalized guided meditations based on perhaps biometric feedback in the moment. There's crossover between AI and creativity, where AI assisted like music composition, for example, that augments rather than replaces the artistry of the human that's creating the music. And then with a crossover between AI and collective intelligence, AI can be a collaborator helping society solve challenges through predictive models and pattern recognition. So it's not just here to replace our soul, for example. It's here to challenge us to evolve in new ways. So the question we should be asking is not whether AI will become conscious, if you will, in the way that we understand it, but whether we will become more conscious in how we use AI. AI is not the end of humanity. It's just an invitation. It's a mirror. It's a challenge that we will use to amplify whatever we focus on, our distractions, our fears, our limitations. Or we can also use it to amplify wisdom, unity, and creation. The future is not determined by AI in and of itself. It's determined by the consciousness of those who build it, train it, and interact with it. That's all of us that are interacting with it. So AI is developing and evolving in real time. So what will we choose to make it reflect? The final questions here are, is AI already a reflection of our collective consciousness? And what does it say about humanity if it is? What role does intention play in shaping AI's ethical development? And how can we program AI to align with wisdom rather than just mindless efficiencies? And do you think AI can be used as a tool for expanding human consciousness? If so, how? I leave you with that question. Drop your answers in the comments. This is a topic that I want to continue to explore on this channel and really take the journey, take the ride of exploring this topic as it evolves. I'll see you on the next one.